Alrighty guys, so here's what we're gonna do. Oh, well, shit. Let me, it was quarantined. So in my comments, I had, gotten a lot of feedback on, quarantine cases, and hey, unbox them, so I'm fixing to do 20 cases, and let's see what we get, so let's do it, guys. Sorry, I've been sick for a little bit, so forgive me. Alright. I've unboxed a couple because you guys said, so I've only got about 4 of them. I had already gotten a purple, so let's see if we can get something really good in this unboxing. And see, we're going for an unusual version of that, so, yeah. Not bad, not bad. So we're about, it looks like halfway through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, or 11. Yeah, we've got 11 left, or I believe 11, so let's continue. Man, we are getting those Phobos filters like a boss, though. Man. Alright, that's not too bad. Captain Spaceman. I'd like to get an unusual version of that, but I've never gotten an unusual. I've gotten unusual fires for taunts, but never gotten an unusual, so. And not bad, shooting star. I like that. I've always wanted one, but didn't want to spend the money on it, so nice. This Phobos filter, man. Whew. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 5 of them? Nice. That's how it goes. And there's that Captain Spaceman. I'd like to get an unusual, or not unusual, but a strange Starduster. That would be pretty dope. Oh, well, shit. Sorry, forgive me. Oh, fuck. There we go. Getting back to the unboxing. Seven of them. Wow. Well, we got some decent stuff though. I mean, not too bad. Couple of Spaceman, the Shooting Star, not too bad. We got the Starduster. So not too bad. Not too bad. So, yeah. Well, I'll see you guys next time.